If you're looking to do any renovations around your house that include replacing your current receptacles with a GFCI outlet, this box of 24 will get you far. So I ordered this box with my own money. We do have some receptacles that need to be changed out to GFCI, and we've done it before in the past. As long as you follow the instructions that come with it, it is not a difficult task. You just have to follow the instructions very particularly, starting, of course, with turning off the breakers and the power to that outlet. So let's look at what comes in each box. So this large box does come filled with all the small ones, all the smaller boxes, individually packaged with all your parts. So I love that, because if they would have come loose with all of the parts just floating around in the large box, it would have gotten confusing. So I love that I only need to take out what I need right now, and everything else can just live in the larger box. So in each box is your actual outlet, and it does include both of the screws, the top and bottom screw. It also includes some very important instructions along the back, so be sure to read those. Easy connect, so that's great. And then it also comes with these little protectors that do slide in place here. So it does shield those receptors on both sides. It also comes with GFCI protected outlet stickers, which, I mean, you can tell it's a GFCI because it has the little buttons. Speaking of which, so these are weather and tamper resistant. So the buttons feel, oh, there we go. So the buttons are pretty hard to push, which is good because you don't want, kids messing with it. So that's great. And let's see what else we got. Oh, and the outlet cover, of course, comes with each one. So each box has an outlet cover in it. They are pure white, which to me is the best. But yeah, so the instructions also come with an installation video QR code. So if you utilize the QR code, it does take you to very specific instructions. So I look forward to getting ours changed out in the very near future.